Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we're going to remove all the sticky tar from this vehicle's fenders, doors, and rocker panel. The challenge I may face is I wrapped this car a year ago, so if the surface of the wrap was to scratch or mar due to abrasion from cleaning or scrubbing, then I'm prepared to rewrap sections of the car with the extra product I have. This option may not be available to yourself, as marring either your paint or wrap really isn't ideal. So for your situation, you may want to try this on an inconspicuous area of the car first to see how the removal process works before moving to a more visible spot. I'm using Citrol today, and this was the product of choice from the detailing store that I go to. This product is supposed to remove asphalt, wax, grease, heavy oil, graffiti, ink, oil, tree sap, tar, and more. When using this, wear some gloves and eye protection. You'll also need a lot of rags that will likely be thrown away afterwards, and a hose for rinsing. Let's get started by first rinsing the area. Then, by spraying the Citrol generously. You can see that it's starting to break down that baked on tar. In some areas, I could feel that this tar is a couple millimeters thick, so this might take a little while. Especially down on this rocker panel where you can see the tar is just concentrated. I'm just letting the product sit on the wrap for a couple seconds before washing it away. Now the first application took away a little bit, but as you can see there's still a lot of tar left. I'll just keep putting light applications onto the wrap until I feel confident that I could get more aggressive. I'll let the second application sit on the wrap just a little bit longer to see if I could get a better penetration. Every application or experience is going to be slightly different because some vehicles will have a wrap, such as mine, or be painted. You just have to be patient. An old microfiber cloth to provide some agitation would probably be beneficial at this point. And this is why you won't be keeping these cloths. This entire process is going to be about rinse and repeat. Because there's likely residual chemical left behind on the wrap or your paint, I'm just going to try it with the microfiber cloth alone. Now it is starting to look and feel better because those thick areas have been knocked down. Now once again, this process is all about rinse and repeat. So don't be too aggressive because you might regret the results. And what I mean by that is if you leave the chemical on too long, you might end up damaging your finish. For the sake of time, I'm going to speed up this process because there was multiple applications of the Citrol. Because I'm building up a bit more confidence, I'm going to use a soft bristle scrub brush along with the microfiber cloths. As you can see, with each application, more and more of the tar is removed. Now, unfortunately, what I didn't realize is my camera was just about to die. So this process took about 20 minutes, and here are the results. This is definitely 1,000 times better compared to all that tar that was on the rocker panel, fender, and door. Now, I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but there's a slight brown tinge that I'll probably have to deal with another product. Otherwise, all the major tar is removed and there's nothing sticky on this panel. So once again, rinse and repeat, take your time, and don't rush the process. Just let the Citrol do its job and have many microfiber cloths on hand. There you have it, the power of Citrol and how it removed tar from this vehicle. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your home garage.